holding number 117 Dhanu Bose Lane, also known as bracket mein Sadar Bakshi Lane, comma, police station and post office, Havra, district Havra. Ward number 17 of Havra Municipal Corporation. It is alleged by the petitioner that the private respondent number 7 and 8 have carried out unauthorized construction without obtaining sanctioned building permit from Havra Municipal Corporation. Learned counsel for the Havra Municipal Corporation, Mr. Ganguly has
Mr. Banerjee.
Mr. Banerjee has produced, Sandeepan Banerjee has filed a report which is taken on record, wherein it is reflected that the corporation had that the Borough Committee, by decision dated 23/11/2017, had taken retention fees.
But initially, I have a sanction up to G+1. Thereafter, retention in respect of 1 floor.
Ethical report had submitted a report which shows that the petitioner had a sanction plan for G+1, right? G+1. Full stop. The petitioner, the respondent had sanction plan for G+1. The respondent had illegally constructed from the sanction plan, and the same was regularized by the Borough Committee decision dated 23/11/2017 by taking retention fee to the amount of rupees 2,78,616 on 14/12/2017. Full stop. As regard the allegation that the land is a Thika land and that there is no NOC
No objection, sir.
from the Thika Tenancy Department is also not correct, since the private respondent had procured an NOC from the Thika Tenancy Department. Full stop. From the report, it is evident that no new construction is found at the site. Full stop. Yes, you have to say something. In view of the said report, the petitioner does not wish to press.
Only Lordship, it was not within my knowledge that a retention fee was accepted and it has been regularized.
Sorry?
It was not within my knowledge that the retention fees were accepted and it was regularized.
The petitioner does not wish to press the presented petition. The same is dismissed as not pressed.
Grateful, extremely grateful.
Take your book.
Yes.
Why don't I keep the book? I have many books also.
You have. Give from Mr. Banerjee. Give from Mr. Banerjee.
But I have to buy a new book and give it to your lordship. Sorry.
Grateful.
Oh, একটা সপ্তাহ ঢুকে আছে।
This is
Number 19.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the private respondent, my lord.
I am appearing for
8, 9, 11, and 12, my lord.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, on the last occasion,
submit without blocking. This is my
fresh report indicating
What kind of a report is, what is wrong with this executive engineer? What is wrong with the executive engineer? What kind of reports is he filing? Last time also he has filed a report which was absolutely bereft of any material particular. Today also he has filed a report which doesn't even show whether he's booking the property, he's taken any action. What kind of reports are being filed?
yes, sir.
last 5 years. There is no such.
Madam, is the building with a sanction plan or not?
Yes, they have found such, but no sanction plan was.
So then what are you supposed to do? Should I teach the executive engineer what to do? Am I running your corporation? Am I supposed to tell him what to do? What kind of report is this?
They have,
Should I call the executive engineer?
they have searched, but
Disciplinary proceedings should be initiated against people like them. So, madam, don't give that kind of an answer, please. You're officer of the court. You're not working in the municipality. Why he has not booked the property if there's no sanction plan? Let the commissioner file a report. Take down. This court has expressed
sometimes
its dismay on the report
give
being-
me some time so that I can.
No, madam, this person needs to be fixed. The way he's taking the court for a ride.
The other person will.
The commissioner, let the commissioner file. No, commissioner, madam. If you can't convince people, let the commissioner file the report.
Petitioner also have the sanction plan, lordship.
Who appears for the respondent, private respondent? Who are you appearing for? Who do you appear for? Private respondent?
Yes, my lord. So I, yes, my lord.
Take down.
No, I have instruction, my lord, that they are tenants, my lord, since last 16 years, 18 years, my lord.
The just change code. The
I think
present
inside
the
the
petition the
building.
this matter was listed on 2/4/2025, wherein this court has observed that the report filed by the corporation was bereft of any material particulars. The corporation had not even mentioned whether the construction, the alleged unauthorized construction, is without a sanction plan, is with or without a sanction plan. The court had expressed its dismay to the said report and had further directed the corporation to file a better report. Today again, corporation has filed a report wherein they have failed to mention if the said construction has come up without a sanction plan or not. Full stop. It seems the area executive engineer is trying to avoid answering the query of this court and is hand in glove with the private respondents who have carried out the unauthorized construction. Despite repeated warnings, the corporation has failed to file a report indicating if the said construction is in accordance with law with a valid sanction plan, and if not, any action has been contemplated or initiated against the said unauthorized construction. Full stop. Since the executive engineer, despite opportunities, have failed to answer the query of the court, let the commissioner file an affidavit bringing on record the correct position of the said unauthorized construction, and if any action has been initiated against the alleged unauthorized construction.
My lord, I have one submission, my lord, that
Let the same be
private-
filed within a period of
private respondent are tenants, my lord, since
2
last
weeks.
12 years, 16 years, my lord.
2 weeks.
The building is an old building, my lord,
Let them file a report
as your lord. But
within 2 weeks.
kindly my submission be recorded, my lord.
इसी वीडियो में
मैं पूरे से सप्लीमेंट
Yes.
Item number 21,
I am appearing on behalf of the Bali municipality.
Your Lordship will remember, this is the matter
and I am appearing
where
the
a
pollution control board.
Lordship will recollect, this is the matter where aluminium factory is being run in a residential premises. By your Lordship's last order, your Lordship had directed that the order of the pollution control board, which we had indicated, was to be filed via supplementary affidavit and circulated. The affidavit has been made ready, your Lordship, but in all fairness, we have not been able to serve the affidavit before time to the parties. We are circulating the same right now. May I hand it over, your Lordship? The reason that we have brought this affidavit on record, your Lordship, is possibly the facts that have been alleged in the writ. The existence of the aluminium factory and the business that is being carried on is clearly outlined in the order itself. May I take your Lordship through the order once? Your Lordship will find the order.
Go through it.
Yes, ma'am.
Let them go through.
Well, we cannot object to the same because we have not served prior to the appearance.
And the last occasion, your lordship directed the private respondent, the edit.
Yes, that has also been done. That has been done in the course of the day, I am told.
Service sponsor.
That I have to seek instruction, but I'm told that some.
They are not served, then.
Yeah. They have
I
to
am
be
told they've taken some steps. The advocate on record was unavailable during the interregnum, But I'm told they have taken steps to effect service, and that is also why the affidavit of service was also not solved within time.
You have to make them a party and you have to serve them.
Lordship, we'll have to take instruction on that effect. But I am told they have taken steps to serve. I'll have to take. He's not the advocate on record. Advocate on record is not appearing today.
Supplementary affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner. A copy of the same is handed over to the respondents. Let this matter appear after 4 weeks.
4 weeks, after 4 weeks.
Vacation করে যাচ্ছে না vacation করে যাচ্ছে
Item number 22.
Well, I beg to appear on behalf of the petition in this matter. On the last occasion, there was the direction upon me to amend the cause title, as DPPG was not made a party and the director of local bodies was not made a party.
Appearing, Sandeepan Banerjee is appearing on behalf of Howrah Municipal Corporation, Lordship. Can you please allow us a short passover, Lordship?
So the only thing is that I think your lordship may direct them to get the instructions. So far, this is concerned. This is related to the pension and payment of the full gratuity of this person who has served this corporation for a long time as a PO, personal officer, and he was given the this pay protection also earlier by virtue of the law. So lordship kindly
This matter,
directed
I am
to bring
saying
the
that
report.
only, it is a pension matter. I am very well aware because your lordship told me in the earlier occasion also.
Yes, pension
Only
matters.
pension matter, only matter at times a short final chance may be given. I am coming with a specific details.
How much time you want?
2 weeks, madam.
So kindly keep it after 2 weeks so that it can be taken.
My lord, I am for the DPPG, my lord, serve upon me also.
Yes, I will. Definitely, I will.
Just after 2 weeks.
So may I submit the
Number
affidavit of
30.
service today?
We'll have it after 2 weeks.
Grateful, but
That is, sir.
so next day you will be bringing the report. So
Banerjee,
And advance copy will be given to them.
lordship, grateful.
Number 23.
Or I beg to appear on behalf of corporation.
what is there, Mr. Mukherjee?
No, the status is there are two buildings adjacent. The numbers your lordship get. This is 13 by H by 34 and there is another B by 13 by H by 34. It's Iqbalpur area. D plus 4-storied building. Entire building is illegal. Without a plan, corporation has proceeded to demolish. He's a tenant who comes and says that restrict corporation not to demolish. This is the subject matter of the case.
Dismiss in default. None for the petition, the presented petition.
Item number 24.
I am for the state respondent.
Your lordship, this is that matter, your lordship, we needed a death certificate where your lordship had a query. Why such delay, your lordship? If your lordship remembers, the executor of the will has applied for a death certificate and your lordship was pleased to, your lordship, let me be candid, your lordship, for the last 2 years, the client was genuinely pursuing. He went to the office. The communication that came orally last was that until unless there's a court order, they won't issue. I have justification of the last 2 years. But before that, your lordship, I don't have instructions because there were nothing as such so that I can bring to your lordship and say that yes, this was happening. For the last 2 years, we have been pursuing. My client was genuinely pursuing before the municipality, your lordship. And one humble submission, your lordship, I am just asking for a death certificate of an admitted dead person.
They can't give it. That's what the answer is.
But your lordship, on the last occasion, I pointed out, your lordship, that there's no bar in the act also. Your lords, there is a decision of your lordship to issue it if your lordship feels deemed fit and proper.
Chair,
Bar, my lord. Your lordship kindly consider, my lord, according to the Registration of Bars and Deaths Act, my lord, there is some provision, my lord. Section 13, subsection 3, my lord, I'm reading. Any birth or death which has not been registered within 1 year of its occurrence shall be registered only on an order made by the magistrate of the first class or a presidency magistrate after verifying the correctness of the birth or death and on payment of the fees. So, my lord, you have to obtain an order from the first class magistrate, my lord.
Well, I'm invoking a plenary jurisdiction of this Honorable High Court, your lordship.
what is your relationship here?
Lordship, as I showed your lordship, I'm the executor of the will of the deceased person.
That's it.
No relation.
And you have been sleeping over it. That's right.
And my lord died in 2015, my lord, and made an application in the year 2020.
Then you explain the delay.
Lordship, the only if your lordship permits me, your lordship, delay cannot
No, but
defeat
there
my
has to be some
substantial
reason for you not to pursue. See, you are executor of the will.
Lordship,
Why didn't you execute the will earlier? Why you are coming in 24?
Your lordship, yes. Your lordship, the will has to be executed when it is ready, your lordship. I am not the only one.
Where is the person who's asking for it? Where are the legal heirs?
You know, that is given in the will itself, your lordship.
No, why they have not pursued it? Why they are not asking for the death certificate? Why is the legal heir not here? Since you are the executor, you are acting on their behalf, in their benefit. You get the legal heir.
Your lordship, be kind enough to allow me to amend the petition then.
You withdraw it, you file a better petition. You withdraw this, you file a better petition.
If I can say,
Yes.
being the executor, being the executor of the will, my lord, I understand what has fallen on the delay, my lord. My friend has explained it very candidly. Being the executor, my lord, the onus falls upon me really to.
So that's why I'm saying, sir, you get the legal heir. You file a better petition.
Okay.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the present writ petition. Same is dismissed as withdrawn.
Your lordship has given me that liberty, your lordship. Because on the self
With liberty to file
yes,
in accordance with law.
Grateful.
Agenda 25.
25, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Sorry. Not today.
Agenda number 26.
Why? What happened?
Presentation consider করিনি আবার কি আছে
Very short prayer, my lord. My representation will be considered by the court. My lord, my deviation area was demolished, my lord, and I have sent a communication to the corporation to disclose the amount of the demolition. That may be considered by the short one.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee.
My lord, an order has been passed by this honorable court, coordinate bench, my lord, page 13, my lord. On the basis of that demolition, I think not readable also. Page 13 is the
Demolition was carried out, my lord. Later on, I have
page 14 is the specific portion of direction from the honorable court. Para 3, my lord, from the top, page 14.
There's a direction. There,
The demolition notice was given.
Was carried out, my lord, demolition was done as per the order of the. I have sent the letter to the corporation to let me know the cost of the demolition. If there is any deviation by the corporation, has already been demolished.
No, full demolition has not been done.
complete demolition has not been done.
And even if there is, my lord, any part, my lord,
They are acting on the basis of a,
considered, my lord, by the corporation, my lord.
sir, they are acting on
No,
the
no,
basis of
I am acting on the basis of the order of this honorable court.
Correct.
Otherwise, I will face a contempt matter. So demolition is being carried out. Let it be completed. It is an infructuous writ petition, premature one.
Nothing is here.
My lord, only one, some portion, my lord, is here, my lord. Due to the demolition of that, my lord, it has been observed by the corporation that we, due to the demolition of that portion, the sanctioned area may be.
The petitioner has preferred the present writ petition, seeking consideration of his representation dated 2/1/2024 and 3/1/2024. Full stop.
Yes.
This court in an earlier writ petition number 24607 of 2023, while order dated 10/2023, had directed the corporation to take steps to remove unauthorized construction and implement the order of demolition. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent corporation states that they are acting in pursuance of the direction passed in the earlier writ petition number 24607 of 2023 and are carrying out the demolition action in accordance with the earlier direction. Full stop. The case of the petitioner that is the case of the petitioner. There is no merit in the present writ petition, since the demolition order has already been passed and the same was challenged earlier, and a direction has been passed by this court wherein the respondent corporation had been asked to implement the demolition order. Full stop. This, what do you want?
My lord, I have
Learned counsel for the petitioner states that,
representation to be considered, my lord. I-
not at all, sir, sorry, not at all. Learned counsel for the petitioner states that he wants to deposit
Premature, my lord.
deposit
Let
the
it
cost for the
completed.
demolition,
Let the deviation.
still under,
My lord, without any inspection, my lord.
which is
the structure was
which is still under process.
demolished.
Full stop.
That is-
The present writ petition is premature and the cost of the demolition can only be ascertained once the entire demolition has taken place. Full stop. There is, in view of such, in view of the same, there is no merit in the present writ petition. The same is dismissed.
There may be a direction to consider.
Wait for a minute. Bharat is having a division bench after this.
Yes.
Bharat is again coming in a single bench.
No.
Item number 27.
'27 or '28?
27 and Mailani.
'28. Yes.
My lord, in both the matters, I'm on behalf of the Kamarhati municipality.
Yes.
What has happened here?
I will put the state, my lord, item number 27.
As temporary driver of the municipality, later on his service was confirmed. He became the permanent driver of the municipality, yes, sir. And ultimately, he retired on 31st January 2017, petitioner's father. Now, petitioner's husband. Now thereafter, Lordship, what has happened? I am receiving petitioners to get the ad hoc pension from the municipality, not the full amount of the pension. Ad hoc pension's amount was rupees 9,500 approximately. And now, Lordship, Kamarhati municipality, I have already stated in paragraph number Lordship, here in paragraph number 9, since the petitioner did not receive the response to the court's depend on the sum of such and such by date itself, the petitioner was verbally told that due to some confusion regarding confusion of the respondent number 1 did not approve the appointment and subsequent promotion along with the large number of employees of the municipality. Now, in this respect, Lordship, there have been a number of petitions which were filed before this court, and the judges have passed several orders. Lordship, may I hand over all of such orders? There are 4 orders. First order is in the matter of Deepali Ghosh versus Director of Local Bodies, Government of West Bengal. Here, the similarly placed petitioner, the wife of another erstwhile employee, deceased employee, Kamarhati municipality has come up with the present petition paying for the sanction of terminal benefits and release the family pension in favor due to the death of her husband. And now this was without a Lordship. I will hand over the copy, Lordship. The issue appears to be no more receptive, right? View of the decision of the court delivered in the case of Nitai Chandra Singh versus State of West Bengal and others. It has been brought to the notice of this court that apart from the order passed by the court in Nitai Chandra Singh, an order was passed by the Additional Secretary, Government of West Bengal, Department of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs dated 6 February 2023, whereby upon bringing certain amendments to the government orders dated 7th May 2009 and 19th August 2009, empowered the Director of Local Bodies to declare initial appointment of the employees of the municipality who were not included under subsection 1 of section 54 of the West Bengal Municipal Act 1993 and who were appointed by the municipality against sanctioned vacancies between the period from 14 July 1994 to 30th September 2003 shall be deemed to have been done as per extent
I have
of the West Bengal Municipal Act.
I have a division bench. I have a division bench. We'll have it tomorrow.
Lordship, instead of tomorrow, can it be posted on day after tomorrow?
Day after tomorrow. What are your instructions, madam?
My lord, as per the instruction, my lord, the file is lying with the DPPG, my lord. The service book.
You have made them a party?
Say that
This is the procedure.
And my lord, in the next matter, there is a different instruction, if you kindly allow me.
We'll have it day after tomorrow.
Few seconds, my lord.
Wednesday. This next Wednesday. This Wednesday you want, right? Liberty is granted to the petitioner in item ये वाला जो है, to make who's the party? Director?
DPPG. And
DPPG.
mine is Kamarhati Municipal.
DPPT a party to the present.
In item number 27, 28.
20, it is a different
To the present
issue, my lord.
Let this matter be listed on Wednesday.
Lord,
Grateful.
may I be permitted to mention item number 31.
Agent.
The matter can be taken up day after tomorrow. I'm going to respond then. My petitioner is there. Tomorrow due to personal difficulty, I will.
Day after
Day after
item 31. 31 day after.
Deeply obliged.